So today I'm going to be showing you guys this product. It was given to me by the brand, and I'm just going to show you guys up close how it looks. They're like bolts and stuff. As you can see, they're individually packed. Let me just take each one out and show y'all here. So this is how they look. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's magnet. So if you have like a magnet belt and stuff, it's good to put them there. Let me see. And I recommend you to look at their product page to see if this aligns with what you need, because sometimes you buy a product and then you realize, wow, it's not what I need. So to check the sizing, just checking everything. Make sure it checks all the things that you need and before you purchase it. But overall, yeah, this is how I'm just showing you guys the product itself. It's not like I can do anything else much than that. And it comes with 4, I'm pretty sure. Yes, it comes with 4. So yeah. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself. That whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on your, if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your, if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.